Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who follow these simple steps can significantly reduce the risk of pneumonia and respiratory infections. Hello and welcome to Seniors Health Companion. In this video, we'll explore ways to keep your respiratory system healthy and strong. Understanding the importance of respiratory health is crucial as these infections can severely impact quality of life, especially in older adults. With warmth and empathy, let's embark on this journey to empower you with knowledge and practical advice. Let's begin this vital discussion on maintaining a healthy respiratory system. As someone who has worked with thousands of senior patients, I want to share the most important advice about understanding your body's respiratory system. Your lungs are like two sponges, absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, crucial functions for our survival. Understanding how respiratory infections like pneumonia can disrupt this process is vital. Pneumonia is an infection that inflames the air sacs in your lungs, often filled with fluid. This can lead to coughing, fever, and breathing difficulties. By simplifying this complex system, I aim to educate without overwhelming you. An informed patient is a healthy patient. Recognizing the signs of respiratory infections early can make a world of difference in treatment outcomes. Are you noticing persistent coughing, fever, or shortness of breath? These can be indicators of pneumonia or other infections. It's crucial to listen to your body and seek medical advice promptly. Often, these symptoms are overlooked as common cold signs, but being vigilant can help you intervene early and potentially prevent severe complications. Remember, self-awareness is your best tool in promoting respiratory health. Don't hesitate to check with your healthcare provider if you notice any unusual changes. A balanced diet is foundational for preventing illnesses like pneumonia. Evidence suggests that nutrient-rich foods can bolster your immune system. Incorporate foods high in antioxidants and vitamins, such as leafy greens, berries, and nuts. Ensure you're getting enough protein from sources like fish, lean meats, or beans. Remember to hydrate regularly with water or herbal teas. Planning meals with these elements can greatly enhance your body's ability to fend off respiratory infections. Prepare meals in advance or consider sharing these moments with friends or family to make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. Gentle physical activity is another effective way to maintain respiratory health. Regular movement aids lung function and boosts your immune system. Consider starting with simple exercises like walking, tai chi, or chair yoga. These activities improve circulation and help clear the lungs, reducing infection risk. Adapt exercises to fit your comfort level and consult with healthcare providers for personalized advice. Remember, consistency is key, so aim for at least 30 minutes of activity most days of the week. Exercising safely can be a joy and a powerful ally in your health journey. It's essential to stay on top of your health with regular medical monitoring. Regular checkups and vaccinations are crucial in preventing respiratory infections like pneumonia. Ensure you receive the pneumococcal and influenza vaccines as recommended by health professionals. Keeping open communication with your healthcare team allows for personalized care tailored to your health needs. Don't wait for symptoms to appear before visiting your doctor. Proactive healthcare is about maintaining wellness, not just responding to illness. Your well-being is of utmost importance, so prioritize scheduling your next healthcare appointment. The impact of respiratory health extends beyond the physical. It can influence mental health, relationships, and day-to-day life. Feeling unwell can lead to isolation or low spirits. Keep an open line of communication with loved ones and healthcare providers about how you're feeling. This is vital for a balanced social and emotional life. Engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, such as hobbies, volunteer work, or connecting with loved ones online. Socialization and purpose are critical components of healthy living. Maintaining an active social life can enhance your emotional resilience and provide a support network for better health outcomes. To recap, understanding your respiratory health is a step toward empowerment. Recognize early symptoms, nourish your body with a balanced diet, engage in safe exercise, and maintain consistent medical checkups. Stay socially connected and proactive in managing your health. These are the keys to preventing pneumonia and respiratory infections. Embrace these changes with confidence, knowing you're capable of taking control of your well-being. Remember, small steps can lead to significant health benefits. Thank you for joining Seniors Health Companion on this journey. Here's to a healthier, vibrant life.